Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I post any videos, you'll get the notification. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare restaurant style masala dosa, and I'm going to share you few tricks so that you'll get the texture of masala dosa as same as restaurant style. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare dosa batter. So that I am taking here 2 cups of dosa rice. This rice you will get it in Big Bazaar, More or any supermarket. That dosa rice I am going to take. Now I am adding 1 cup of dosa rice. I will add 1 more cup. Totally 2 cups I am taking today. See, 2 cups of dosa rice. For 2 cups of dosa rice, I am going to add 1 spoon of methi, 2 spoons of chana dal, for 2 cups of rice, I have taken half cup of urad dal, and then I have taken half cup of poha. Once again I am telling the measurement. I have taken 2 cup of dosa rice, half cup of urad dal, and then 2 tablespoon of chana dal, and then 1 tablespoon of methi. I have put it in the same bowl, and then half cup of poha. This is thick poha I am going to use now. This is afternoon. I am going to wash all these ingredients and I am going to soak it in water. I will allow it to soak till evening, and evening I will go to show you how to grind all this. You can see now my rice is soaked. Now I am going to grind all these ingredients one by one. First I am going to add poha. Along with poha I am going to add urad dal, chana dal, and then methi. All these items were soaked in the afternoon. Now it's evening. Now I am going to grind all this. You have to grind it in such a way that it should be fine paste. Now I am going to take it to a separate bowl. Next I am going to add rice, and then I am going to grind this also. You can see now my rice is also grinded now. Now I am going to pour it into the same bowl. Mix it well, and now my dosa batter is ready. I am not adding salt at this stage. I will add salt tomorrow morning. At night I will show you how to do the batter fermentation. Now I will close this lid and allow it to ferment. Now I am going to show you how to do the batter fermentation. In my previous video also I have showed the 3 different methods for batter fermentation. If you have not checked, I will attach the link above. You can go and check it out. The best method to do the batter fermentation is I have taken a cast iron tawa. I have preheated that. Now on the tawa I am going to keep one pan. On that pan I am going to keep my batter. My tawa is switched off. I switched off the gas and I have kept my batter, and I am going to close one plate like this. And again I am going to cover with some other cloth. I will allow it till tomorrow morning. If you see it tomorrow morning, the batter will be fermented. Now you can see how my batter is fermented very well. It has almost touched the plate. Now I am going to mix it well. Mix the batter. How much you want for usage, you can take it in a separate bowl. and rest of the things you can keep it in the fridge and you can use it for next day also. Now I'm going to add sugar. Why I am adding sugar is because it will give the texture as restaurant style and it will give the color as the restaurant. One tip while preparing masala dosa is that add sugar so that it will give the color and also the texture, and add salt as per your taste. Now I am going to show you how to prepare potato palya, that is aloo palya. For that I have kept one pan and I have added little oil. Once the oil is heated, I will add mustard, jeera, chana dal, and urad dal. Now I am going to add big onion, which is chopped onion, and then green chilies. Add curry leaves. Once the onion is fried, now I am going to add turmeric powder, add salt as per your taste, now I am adding smashed potato. Now I am adding coriander, and then freshly grated coconut. Mix it well. Now my potato palya is ready for masala dosa. Potato palya or aloo palya is ready. Now I am going to show you how to prepare green chutney, that is coconut chutney. For that I have taken 3 green chilies and I have taken 3 garlic. I am going to fry it. For frying I am going to add little curry leaves also. Once it is fried, switch off the stove and add freshly grated coconut. Just eat the coconut, do not fry. Now I am going to transfer all this mixture to mixer jar. Now I am adding little fried gram. Add little tamarind juice. If you don't have tamarind juice, you can add lime juice also. Now I have transferred everything to mixer jar and I am adding little salt. I am going to grind it by using water. Once it is grinded partially, I am going to add coriander leaf. Now my coconut chutney is ready. Now I am going to show you how to prepare dosa. Now I am putting dosa batter on the tawa. Now I am adding little oil. Now I am applying red chutney. If you don't have red chutney, you can skip this. Now I am keeping aloo palya, that is potato palya, which I prepared earlier. You can see the color. As I have added sugar, you can see how the dosa texture is. See, it is very crispy like restaurant style. Now you can see my another dosa is on the tawa. If you want red chutney video, please say it in comment section, so I'll prepare it in next video. See, my another dosa is also ready. You can see now my masala dosa, which is prepared as same as restaurant style, is ready. Inside there is red chutney and aloo palya along with that coconut chutney. You can see the crispiness of the dosa. This crispiness I got it because I have added sugar. It's the main trick while preparing masala dosa. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I post any videos, you'll get the notification. And like my videos and share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching.